Hello everyone, myself Prerna Saxena from PG. In this video, I am going to tell you how to create a merchant account. So let's get started. Just go in the below link and register yourself as a merchant. Now what is merchant account? Merchant account is an account that enables merchant to process online credit and debit payments. Now you can register yourself as a merchant in just a few minutes. This is the registration flow for creating a merchant account. First, you need to create the account. Next is registration verification. Next, OTP provided in your mobile or in email. Next is credentials change. Another one is business information updated. Next is documentation provided. Next, submitted for review. And the last is you can use the account as a test flow while the application verification is done by PG. Now the minimum documents required for registering yourself as a merchant is Aadhaar card, company PAN card, GST registration and the owner PAN card. Bank company details like owner PAN number, GSTIN number, company PAN number, bank account number and the bank IFSC code. Now get started with this step 1. You need to fill your details to register as a merchant. You need to provide your business name, merchant email ID and the merchant contact number. This is the format to create a merchant account. You can see here, first you need to provide your business legal name, merchant first name, merchant last name, admin user mobile number and the admin user email. I have provided this information to register as a merchant. After clicking the submit button, you got your merchant key ID in this way. Now you need to click on the OK button. Now the next step is registration verification. After registration, next step is our OTP verification. Enter the OTP for PG registration. In this way, the account verification can be done quickly. This is the window for OTP verification. You need to put your mobile OTP or email OTP and then you need to submit this. In this way, you got your mobile OTP in your mobiles. Now entering the mobile ETP and submit it. Now the step 3 is for the credential change. After the OTP verification, you need to change your password or you need to create a new password. After the account verification, next step is to create a password. Now you got your login details to continue to sign in. In this way, you got the pop-up for the account verification. Your account details has been successfully verified. Now you can create your password. After creating the password, you got the thank you message that your password has been successfully changed. Now you can log in. You also got the email confirmation in your email ID in this way from the page. Now moving towards the login page, you need to enter your mobile number and password to continue to the dashboard page. Before moving towards the dashboard page, you need to provide your business information details. This is our step 4. After the login, merchant need to provide both the business and owner details in the given format, which are business address, business detail, business contact detail, company document, business owner details, business contact detail, owner contact detail, reference detail, bank details, and the documents upload. Now moving towards one by one. This is the format for business information. All the 9 steps are shown over here. Now moving towards the first, that is business address. You need to provide your business address, state name, district name and the zip code. Moving towards the next, second is business details. You need to provide your business type, business category and the business turnover. Next is business contact details. That is the email address, business website, business social media link, customer service number and the business mobile number. Next, fourth one is company document. In this, you need to provide the company name on PAN card, company PAN number and the GSTIN number. Moving toward the fifth one, that is business owner detail. For this, you need to provide your business person name, address, state name, district name, and the zip code. Sixth one is owner contact details. For this, you need to provide the contact number, email, Aadhaar card number, PAN card number, and the PAN card holder number. Seventh is bank detail. That is account holder name, branch name, bank account number, IFSC code, and the confirm account number. Eighth one is reference detail. For this, you need to provide the reseller ID and the agent user ID. Last and the ninth one is upload files. In this, you need to upload the required documents like business legal name, company PAN card proof, owner PAN card proof, Aadhaar card proof, GST certificate proof, business address proof, and the bank account number. These are all the 9 details you need to fill for the business information. There is also the alternate way to share your documents. In case of any sort of issues, you can share the documents with our sales team, but recommended you to directly upload on our website. In case of any unlisted business, merchant in new category for seeking approval can send only the duly filled merchant application form for sales team review. In case of any technical issue while registering, they can directly contact, a merchant can directly contact our support or customer care team to get the issue solved. Keep handy all the documents. If some reasons you don't have data, you can skip. As soon as the data is ready, you are good to go with our merchant registration form. So after the submission, you can use your account in the test mode while the account verification is completed by the pagee. In this, you can, under the menu section, you can view all our features. This is how you can easily create account and register yourself as a merchant in few steps. In this way, Pagee helps you for the growth of your business by maintaining the payments and the data of your organization. Thank you so much.